Okay, now let's talk about defining our second wall type, which is W2. So you can see right here, we've got our attic wall, which is W2. So what's different about this attic wall is that, first of all, this is any wall that's facing the enclosed attic. So up in our skylight shaft, we look down here at these images, right? Like these walls here, if I'm standing in the bathroom looking up at the skylight, this wall and this wall, those are technically exposed walls because they separate conditioned air, warm air on the inside, from outdoor air, which is in the attic, right? An attic is not conditioned. This wall here, if I'm standing in the bedroom looking at the front of the house, that's actually a regular wall because that's just facing the outside. I'm going to have sheathing and cladding on that. But these walls, right? So imagine I turn around 180 degrees from this view and look here. These walls are going to be facing the attic. So we need to define those walls. The difference is that they're not going to have sheathing and cladding and sheathing. So let's define this wall. This is it right here. So I'm going to define a wall. We're going to call it W2, and we're going to save it to ID number 2. We've got inside air, interior finish, framing and insulation, and outside air. We do not have the sheathing and cladding. So our air inside walls is 0.68. Half-inch gypsum wallboard is 0.45. Our framing and insulation is walls, softwood, 2x6 at 16 on center, our 6 per inch spray foam, fill cavity depth, 19.20 for this component with thermal bridging. We're going to save that to component number 3, and our outside air is always 0.17. So I'm going to save this to wall 2, W2. And I'm going to save wall ID only. We're not defining a header with this.